electrocute yourself. Class D fires involve combustible metals, which aren't very common in the lab. That's why most labs contain dry chemical fire extinguishers, which are installed close to the exits. Dry chemical extinguishers are effective against Class A, B, and C fires. If a fire occurs and is too large for you to extinguish, evacuate all personnel immediately and call 911. Don't attempt to use a fire extinguisher unless you have been trained to do so by certified trainers, such as the local fire department. A fire blanket can be used to extinguish small flames on workbenches and floors. It can also be used to help someone whose clothing is on fire. Never wrap someone while they're standing. This can force the flames upward toward the head and neck area. Instead, help the person to the floor, wrap them in the blanket, and help them roll until the fire is out. Each lab should have a first aid kit that contains bandages and antiseptic for minor injuries. Evacuation routes should be posted near the exits. It's important that you know multiple evacuation routes in case one is blocked. Another helpful piece of safety equipment is the chemical fume hood. It's a ventilated, enclosed work area that protects you from toxic vapors. Turn on the exhaust fan. Make sure the hood is venting properly. The opening is covered by a window called a sash, which can be raised and lowered. For most applications, the sash should be open to either 8 or 16 inches. Never store chemicals under the hood, and always clean and remove materials when you're finished working. Test your safety equipment regularly to make sure each item is ready in case there's an emergency. In our next lesson, we'll examine how your behavior in the lab can help keep you and your coworkers safe.